Is this English? Section Saturn? This will be my last class. I will be retiring next year. Ibig sabihin nun, ang malas ninyo. Pero swerte din kayo kung makikinig kayo sa akin. Sharp pa ako, class. No? I've been doing this for 45 years. Yung mga technology nyo, you can't fool me. No? Okay, open your book to page 6, paragraph 1U. Read.
The casual.
Casual. Say it again. Casual.
Casual.
Madali lang yung klasiko, no? Sit. Ibahin niyo ako sa mga naging teacher niyo. In my class, you will learn. You will learn. You participate, you will learn. You don't, kayo na yan. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahina pandinig ko, class. Mahina yung pandinig ko, class. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ko naririnig. Get one whole sheet of paper. So the subject of this statement is anyone. Asan si Gonzales? Absent na naman? Pasabihan yan si Gonzales kapag hindi pa siya Ano yung pinag-uusapan nyo? Ano yung hindi makapaghintay? Na chismis? Plus, if you don't like my subject, get out. You don't want to see me? Get out. Simple. Plus, FYI. Ang grade sa akin hindi nabibili. No? You come here, you study, papasa kita. You don't, babagsak kita. Simple. If you want to pay for your grades, tangina. Sa'yo na yan. Pang milk tea mo. No? Get one whole sheet of paper.
Ma'am, one whole.
Number your paper 1 to 50. Dapat 1 to 20 lang yan eh. Nagalit niyo ako. Bastos.
Princess from QC. I am 15 years old. My hobbies are sabong. We, papansin.
Excuse me? You, the one. Yes. Yes, you. Yung nagsalita.
Deserve.
You stand up nga. You stand up. Are you disrespecting me? Who are you? May napatunayan ka na ba? Kung umasta ka, kala mo you're above everyone here, ha?
Correct.
Class, I don't care if kisihudang anak ka ng CEO. I don't care. You don't disrespect me or your classmates like that. I didn't take my master's in UP.
Educate him, ma'am.
So you can display your rudeness here in my classroom. Kala mo kung sino. Continue, Iha. Class, when I was your age,
Nice one.
we didn't have a lot of money. We were not rich. My mother, she told me, wala man ako mapamana sa'yo. But what she gave me? Knowledge. Knowledge. Our province only had one school. It was mountains away. And I have to travel for 2 hours so I can get there. every day.
Every day, ma'am?
Yes, every day. I work hard, I studied in class. Out of 5,000 students in our high school, I finished second.
Wow! Sinong pang first, ma'am?
He gave me this ring. Okay, so the subject of this sentence, papaquiz ako. Class, when I give readings, you read it, no? When I tell you to recite, you do so. Umayos. May ka-direction yung klase, di ba? But I expect better performance. As the higher years, alam nila yan. Dumaan sa akin yung mga yan, hindi mga bobo yung mga yan. When you say Ma'am Kabagani, you don't get easy grades. No? You want easy grades? You don't get it here. Not here. Over my dead body. Malinaw.
Yes, ma'am.
I already check your papers. Walang bumagsak. Gonzales, you distribute the papers. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye! Thank you, Ma'am